Interviewing, long breathing, coughing. Lung. Inquiry should be made about the respiration, coughing, whether there are exudations from the nose, and whether there is mucus in the chest or in the throat. Breathing difficulties and coughing always indicate that there is a disturbance of lung qi. The disturbance can be due to imbalances in the lung itself or other factors affecting the lung. This is because it is the lung that controls the breathing by sending its qi downwards. Heaviness and tightness in the chest have been described above. Breathing. When a person becomes breathless, it is because the lung is not able to send its qi downwards, or because the kidneys are not able to grasp the qi. Lung qi shu, possibly combined with the spleen qi shu, can manifest with the lung not being strong enough to descend and spread qi from the chest. Lung qi can also be blocked in its movement by shi qi, and this will typically be some form of phlegm, but qi stagnation in the upper jiao may also be involved. Invasions by exogenous shi qi can also block the lung qi. Difficulty breathing can be due to lung qi shu or lung yin shu, resulting in the lung being too weak to descend and disseminate qi. Kidney qi shu can mean that the kidneys are not strong enough to grasp the qi. Phlegm, shu stagnation, or qi stagnation can block the movement of lung qi. Phlegm will often be the cause of wheezing or rattling sound in the chest. A person who frequently yawns or has a need to sigh will often be manifesting liver qi stagnation. The body yawns or sighs in an attempt to fill the lung with air and thereby strengthen zong qi so it can forcibly disperse and circulate the stagnant qi. Coughing. If the person has a cough, it is important to ask about how loud the cough is, how long they have had it, if there is sputum, and the consistency and color of the sputum and when the cough occurs. A powerful, explosive, or barking cough will be seen in a shi condition, usually heat and or phlegm. If the cough is acute and has recently arisen, it will probably be due to an invasion of exogenous shi qi. Chronic coughs can be shu or shi or a combination of both. Lung qi shu and lung yin shu coughs will be weak and will not be loud. Lung yin shu will manifest with a cough that is dry, ticklish, and worse in the evening and at night. There may be dry, rubbery sputum that is difficult to expectorate. Both lung qi shu and lung yin shu coughs will be worse after the person has used their lung qi, for example, by talking, triggering a coughing fit. They will also cough more frequently when they are tired. Exposure to a dry environment can result in a dry cough. The lung fears dryness because dryness will injure lung yin. Dryness is not normally a climatic influence associated with Northern Europe, but it can be seen when there is poor indoor air quality, such as in buildings made of concrete. Phlegm pattern coughs are usually worst in the morning. This is because the phlegm will have accumulated in the lung during the night whilst the person is lying down. There are several types of phlegm and each will have its own characteristics. Phlegm heat results in a loud, sometimes barking cough with yellowish or greenish sputum. This mucus can be sticky and difficult to expectorate. This is a typical smoker's cough. Damp phlegm and phlegm cold will manifest with thin, watery sputum that is looser. Phlegm fluids manifest with sputum that is very watery. There will be a bubbling, rattling sound in the lung, and the person will have difficulty lying down because they start to suffocate. Coughs with profuse sputum that are worse after consumption of certain foods, such as dairy products, are due to damp phlegm in the lung. The root of this phlegm will often be spleen qi shu with dampness. It is said that phlegm is stored in the lung, but produced in the spleen. If there is an element of qi stagnation, the cough or breathing difficulty will be worse in the morning or when the person is angry, frustrated, stressed, or in the premenstrual phase. Thank you for your attention.